How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, we got news of a brand new product from DJI. Could it be the new Phantom 5? Here it is. Courtesy of OsetaLV and Deal Drones, we have this new picture of an up-and-coming product from DJI, and there are many similarities to these schematics that we have found earlier in the year. It looks as if there could be a combination between these two schematics for the new drone. For instance, if you look at the front arms of the new drone, you can see a tube-like design. And though the front arms are not configured in pusher configuration, the rear arms seem to be. Opposite from how the Skydio 2 is set up, where the front motors are inverted and the rear motors are on top. Perhaps made different to keep the two drones distinct. And perhaps this will be an RTK model because I see top-mounted screw holes and a latch in the rear for extra accessories and sensors. And speaking of sensors, what about the camera? Back in 2018 we saw detachable lenses. Now we see something in the front here which looks like a secondary camera. This styling reminds me of the new Parrot AI drone with its stereo cameras on the side of the main camera. Earlier in the week, Steve from the Captain Drone channel outlined his requirements of what he foresaw in the new Phantom 5. He mentioned that he believes that with the release of the new Inspire 3, there will be the release of the new DJI Phantom 5. Obviously, there's been some design changes since the 2018 leak of the Phantom 5, but there's no doubt that a lot of us have been waiting a long time to see a new Phantom 5. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.